Hey, hello students, welcome back in Vidya Mandir Academy. So in previous lecture we had discussed about the derivative of parametric function. Now we are going to study about the derivative of second order derivative. So first of all, what is my second order derivative? So the second order derivative means, first of all, differentiate the given function once time and then next another time, means differentiate the given function twice is called as a सेकंड ऑर्डर डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. सेकंड ऑर्डर डेरिव्हेटिव्ह म्हणजे दिलेल्या फंक्शनचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह दोन टाइम कॅल्क्युलेट करणे, त्याला बोलणार आहोत आपण सेकंड ऑर्डर डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. सो फॉर एक्झाम्पल, लेट सपोज द गिवन फंक्शन इज y इज इक्वल टू e टू द पॉवर 4x. Suppose this one is the given function y is equal to e to the power 4x. This is an exponential function. Now first of all we are going to differentiate this function. So write down here, differentiate this function, differentiate with respect to x, we get. So derivative of this function is dy by dx and d by dx of e to the power 4x. Now we know that the derivative of e to the power any function, so derivative of e to the power 4x is nothing but derivative of e to the power 4x means e to the power 4x into derivative of 4x. So what is the derivative of 4x? Derivative of 4x is 4. That's why this is equal to 4 into e to the power 4x. This is dy by dx. This is single derivative. Okay. Now आता पुढे काय करायचं, से दिस इक्वेशन नंबर 1. नेक्स्ट याचा डबल डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घ्यायचा आहे. सो अगेन डिफरन्शिएट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स. Again differentiate with respect to x, we get. So the second order derivative is d square y by dx square. Second order derivative is denoted by d square y by dx square, and which is nothing but derivative of 4 into e to the power 4x. So 4 is constant, so take outside 4 into derivative of e to the power 4x. Now we know the derivative of e to the power 4x. वरती आपण कॅल्क्युलेट केलेला आहे e to the power 4x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह असतो 4 into e to the power 4x. So this is 4 as it is, and e to the power 4x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह e to the power 4x into derivative of 4x into derivative of 4x means 4. So directly we can write here 4. Now this will become 4 4 the 16 into e to the power 4x. So this is the derivative, second order derivative of given function. So d square y by dx square is nothing but 16 into e to the power 4x. So अशा पद्धतीने आपण सेकंड ऑर्डर डेरिव्हेटिव्ह कुठल्याही फंक्शनचा कॅल्क्युलेट करू शकतो. नेक्स्ट we are going to solve the exercise number 3.6, which is the last exercise in this chapter. So the first question is find d square y by dx square, means we have to find here the double derivative of given function. First of all, the first function is y is equal to root x. Okay, y is equal to root x. We are going to solve. So differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate the given function with respect to x. So its derivative is denoted by dy by dx, and we know that the derivative of root x चा derivative असतो 1 upon 2 root x. So write down here 1 upon 2 root x. Okay, dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2 root x. This is the first derivative. Again differentiate, आपल्याला सेकंड ऑर्डर डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढायचा आहे. सो once again differentiate with respect to x, we get. So the second order derivative is denoted by like this, d square y by dx square. Therefore d square y by dx square is equal to 1 upon 2 as it is. 1 upon 2 is the constant part, so 1 upon 2 write down as it is into derivative of into d by dx of 1 upon root x. So 1 upon root x can be written as like this: 1 upon 2 as it is into d by dx of 1 upon root x means 1 upon x to the power 1 by 2, right? x to the power 1 by 2 आणि x to the power 1 by 2 इथे पॉझिटिव्ह आहे, न्यूमरेटरला आल्यानंतर तो निगेटिव्ह होईल. सो 1 by 2 as it is into derivative of x raised to minus 1 half, x raised to minus 1 half. Now we also know that the derivative of x to the power minus 1 half, this is in the format. So हे आपल्याला माहिती आहे derivative of d by dx of x raised to n, which is nothing but n into x raised to n minus 1. हा वाला फॉर्म्युला यूज करायचा आहे इथे. सो वी गेट d square y by dx square second order derivative 1 upon 2 as it is into derivative of x raised to n. Suppose minus 1 half is the n, so derivative of x raised to n is nothing but n into x raised to n minus 1. So n means what? N means minus 1 half. So write down minus 1 half into x to the power n minus 1. N means minus 1 half and minus 1 by 2. So this will become plus minus become minus 1 upon 4 x to the power minus 1 and minus 2 upon 2. So this is equal to minus 1 by 4 x to the power minus 3 upon 2, and this can be written as minus 1 by 4 x raised to plus 3 by 2. हा जेव्हा खाली जाईल डिनॉमिनेटरला तेव्हा plus 3 by 2 होईल. So this is the final answer, means second order derivative of the given function. This is the required second order derivative of y is equal to root x. Next, second question, y is equal to x raised to 5. Y is equal to x raised to 5. So first of all, the first derivative, so write down here differentiate with respect to x we get, and we know about the derivative of x raised to n. So the formula is n into x raised to n minus 1. By using this formula, derivative of x raised to 5 is 5 into x raised to 5 minus 1. Therefore dy by dx equal to 5 into x raised to 4. 5 into x raised to 5 minus 1 means 4. Again differentiate, because we are going to calculate the second order derivative, that's why again differentiate with respect to x we get. So the second order derivative is denoted by d square y by dx square. Now the second order derivative is d square y by dx square is equal to 5 as it is, or d by dx of 5x raised to 4. Okay, 5x raised to 4, but 5 is the constant part, so take outside 5 as it is into derivative of x raised to 4. Okay, so derivative of x raised to 4, treat this derivative as like this formula, derivative of x raised to n. So derivative of x raised to n is nothing but n into x raised to n minus 1. So write down here 5 as it is 4 x raised to 4 minus 1, which is equal to 5 4s are 20, and x to the power 4 minus 1 means 3. So this is d square y by dx square. This is nothing but the second order derivative of y is equal to x raised to 5. Now the last and third question of the question number 1 is y is equal to x raised to minus 7. First of all, calculate the first derivative, means differentiate with respect to x we get. First order derivative is denoted by like this y dash or dy by dx. Instead of dy by dx, we also write here y dash. Okay, So dy by dx is equal to minus 7 x raised to minus 7 minus 1, means minus 7 x raised to minus minus become plus, and minus 7 minus 1, that is minus 8, because the greater number sign. So my 7 is the greater and whose sign is minus, that's why minus 7 x raised to minus 8 is the first order derivative. Again we are going to differentiate, with respect to x, so we get the second order derivative, that is d2y by dx square, and which is nothing but d by dx of minus 7x raised to minus 8. Now minus 7 is the constant part, so take outside from the derivative, which is equal to minus 7 into derivative of x raised to minus 8. So derivative of minus 8 is calculated like this, derivative of x raised to n. So therefore d2y by dx square is equal to minus 7 as it is into derivative of x raised to minus 8, means minus 8 into x raised to minus 8 minus 1, which is equal to minus minus become plus, this will become 7 8 is a 56 x raised to minus 9, and this is the second order derivative. So derivative y by dx square is nothing but 56 x raised to minus 9. This can be also written as 56 into 1 upon x to the power 9, and which is nothing but 56 upon x raised to 9. So this is the double order derivative or second order derivative of the required function. Now the second question is also like first question. Next question is also find double order derivative. Find double order derivative means d2y by dx square. And first of all, if first one is y is equal to e to the power x, this is the function y is equal to e to the power x, exponential function. So first of all differentiate. So differentiate with respect to x, we get, so the first order derivative is, that is dy by dx is equal to derivative of e to the power x is nothing but e to the power x, so write down as it is e to the power x. Again differentiate with respect to x, so second order derivative is denoted by d square y by dx square, and which is nothing but derivative of e to the power x again. Again we know that derivative of e to the power x is nothing but e to the power x, therefore second order derivative is nothing but e to the power x as it is. Next one, second is y is equal to e to the power 2x plus 1, e to the power 2x plus 1. First differentiate with respect to x, so the first order derivative is dy by dx is equal to e to the power anything, so derivative of e to the power anything is derivative of e raised to 2x plus 1 into derivative of dy dx of 2x plus 1. फक्त जर e टू द पॉवर x असता तर e टू द पॉवर x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह e टू द पॉवर x, पण x च्या जागेवरती 2x plus 1 आहे म्हणून 2x plus 1 चा पुन्हा एकदा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह, सो फायनल डेरिव्हेटिव्ह बिकम dy by dx is equal to e to the power 2x plus 1, e to the power 2x plus 1 into derivative of 2x plus 1. Derivative of 2x is nothing but 2 and derivative of 1 is nothing but 0, because 1 is the constant part and derivative of constant is equal to 0. That's why derivative of 2x plus 1 is only 2. Therefore dy by dx is equal to 2 as it is and e to the power 2x plus 1. This is the first order derivative. Again differentiate with respect to x. Again differentiate with respect to x. We get, so the second order derivative is d2y by dx square is equal to derivative of 2 into e to the power 2x plus 1. But here 2 is the constant part, so take outside from the derivative. So 2 as it is into derivative of once again e to the power 2x plus 1, and we already calculate the derivative of e to the power 2x plus 1, that is 2 into e to the power 2x plus 1. So write down this 2 as it is into derivative of e to the power 2x plus 1 is nothing but 2 into e to the power 2x plus 1. So this will become 2 to the 4 and e to the power 2x plus 1. This is the second order derivative. Second order derivative can be also denoted by y to the power y double dash, okay, or d2y by dx square. So this is the final double order derivative of the given function y is equal to e to the power 2x plus 1. And the last one is, third question is y is equal to e to the power log x. Y is equal to e to the power log x. We know the derivative of e to the power log x. So first of all differentiate this function with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to e to the power anything, derivative of e to the power, we know that this derivative of e to the power x, which is equal to e to the power x as it is. So using that formula, derivative of e to the power log x is nothing but e to the power log x, but instead of this x in the given question there is log x, therefore derivative of, we are going to take the derivative of log x also, so which is equal to e to the power log x into derivative of log x. Derivative of log x is nothing but 1 upon x, so write down 1 upon x as it is. So this will become 1 upon x into e to the power log x. This is first order derivative, so this is dy by dx. Now we are going to calculate the double derivative, means again differentiate with respect to x. So the second order derivative is d2y by dx square, and which is equal to, now in this function there are two functions, right? First one is 1 upon x and second one is e to the power log x. So we know that the derivative of u into v is nothing but first function as it is into derivative of second plus second function as it is into derivative of first, okay, by using the formula of derivative of u into v. So the formula is like this. So first of all, first function is 1 upon x, so write down 1 upon x as it is into derivative of second function. Second function means e to the power log x, plus second function as it is means e to the power log x as it is into derivative of 1 upon x, right? So 1 upon x as it is first function, derivative of e to the power log x, we already calculate the derivative of e to the power log x, and that derivative is nothing but 1 upon x into e to the power log x. So write down here 1 upon x into e to the power log x plus this e to the power log x as it is, and we know that the derivative of 1 upon x, which is nothing but minus 1 upon x square. So this will become 1 upon x into 1 upon x is nothing but 1 upon x square. 1 upon x square into e to the power log x plus minus become minus. Now this 1 upon x square as it is, and e to the power log x, e to the power log x. So this is the negative term. Both terms are like terms. One is plus and second one is minus. That's why both are cancelled to one another. Okay, 1 upon x square into e to the power x minus 1 upon x square into e to the power x, which is nothing but 0, and therefore d2y by dx square is equal to 0. So this is the second order derivative of given function. So the given function is y is equal to e to the power log x. So final derivative is, second order derivative is 0. In this way we are going to finish our exercise number 3.6. okay, so in the next lecture we are going to start the new lesson of maths part 2nd. okay.